Welcome back. Today we are talking about diamond push-ups. Before we begin, let me show you how it's done. Get into a push-up position, but bring your hands close together to form a diamond shape right under your chest. This hand placement targets your triceps even more. As you lower yourself down, keep your elbows close to your body, creating a diamond pattern with your hands. Push back up, feeling that burn in your triceps. To make the most of your diamond push-ups, let's go over a few tips. First, engage your core to maintain a straight line from head to heels. This ensures proper form and stability. Second, if you're new to this exercise, you can start with modified diamond push-ups on your knees. As you get stronger, work your way up to full diamond push-ups. Lastly, focus on a controlled descent and explosive push back up. Quality reps are key. Let's talk about some common mistakes. Avoid letting your hips sag or pike during the push-ups. Keeping a strong plank position ensures you're targeting those triceps effectively. Also, remember to breathe. Inhale as you lower yourself down and exhale as you push back up. By nailing these points, you'll be on your way to mastering diamond push-ups. Don't forget to like and subscribe and monitoring your exercises.